Many people love personalized apps. Guilty as charged. I love personalized apps. They just hit different. But how much data is too much? Let me get you onto a little secret. Many apps collect more than they really need. Some designs go to an extent of pushing users to agree without understanding. And do you know what? Ethical UI UX gives you users clear choices and honest explanations. It's about collecting developers and designers. It's about collecting only what's necessary and letting users stay in control. Good UX respects users. Thoughtful UX puts users first. Good UX is built on trust. Design should respect user choice. Thank you for watching my ethical UI UX design video. Follow for more educated videos. Bye bye, honeys.